Teriyaki-mayonnaise chicken bowl. Here are the ingredients for one serving. 300 grams of chicken thigh. Cut the chicken into 2 to 3 centimeter size squares. Add salt, pepper, and flour. Some salt and pepper. Flour. Put the chicken in a heated frying pan until it is cooked. Then turn over and sake, cover the pan and roast it for 2 minutes. Two tablespoons of sake. Wipe off excess oil with the kitchen paper, add egg and boil it down over medium heat. Four tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stop the fire when the broth has decreased in amount, became thick in color and texture. Put hot water in a small pot and stop the fire after boiling. Carefully add the eggs that have been brought back to room temperature. 2 eggs. Keep it as it is without the lid for 14 minutes if in summer, 15 minutes if in winter. Laver. Cut the laver. Green shiso leaf. Cut the green shiso leaf. Put the rice in a bowl, put the seaweed, teriyaki chicken, green shiso leaf, soft boiled eggs, and shredded red pepper on top in order, and add mayonnaise. Finished. Teriyaki mayonnaise chicken bowl. Again, here are the ingredients for one serving.